Alright, so we got a fire going, and we got the water on the X-bed stove, and we are just going to have some beef stew tonight from Mountain House. Looks like it's got some pretty good stuff in there. I'm going to eat the whole thing to myself. I find these never really give enough food for two people, so yeah, it's gonna be ready soon, and then we'll have some tea. I'll do some review on the beef stew, and we'll chill in the hammock and watch the sunset. Alright guys, so here's the beef stew. I've got the water in there now. I just have to let it sit for about 8 minutes, so we're just going to put the lid on it, and I'll let you know how it turns out, okay? Alright guys, so we're going to open up the beef stew. Looks pretty good. We got some taters and peas and carrots in there. It's pretty good. Salt is really nice. I think I need salt right now, so that's tasting really good. I think it maybe needs to sit a little bit longer. Yeah, it's the potatoes are a little bit hard still. The pieces of beef definitely feel really authentic. Something I'm cautious of in stuff like this, what is the meat like? Is it real? This is definitely more substantial than the lasagna, but I didn't even feel full after lasagna, so this will be good. I would get this again. Probably share it with somebody actually with this one.